Good Wednesday evening, everyone. Thank you for joining us for Western Mass News at 6. I'm Chris Pisano. Hundreds are now rallying in Springfield after marching from Central High School to police headquarters, calling for an end to police brutality in America. Now, we have team coverage for you here on Western Mass News. Sarah Granelli and Leon Purvis reporting tonight. And we begin with Sarah live at the rally with a look at how officers are coping as demonstrations like this play out across the country. Sarah?
Demonstrators actually just got off of their knee. Pearl Street is blocked off now. Officers originally had just one section of Pearl Street blocked off, but as you can see, demonstrators are now coming over the barrier that police had set up. You can see them standing right now in front of the police station, blocking it off, but demonstrators just keep coming closer and closer. I see some protesters who are re-kneeling on the ground. Others continue to hold their signs. Now, they seem to be speaking directly to the officers. Organizers I spoke with today say this is where they demand justice, and this is how it happens, by calling on the police department to step up and treat everyone equal. Now, as you can see, it's getting a little heated in between here, but the police just seem to be calmly standing by while demonstrators push up to the forefront. Again, there was that second barrier they just broke through, and now they're right in front of the police officers with another barrier. If you listen closely, they're chanting, "Take a knee." And some of them are actually starting now to take a knee as we speak. Officers are just calmly looking around, making sure everyone is safe. This is a very peaceful protest right now. Not only are the police departments standing in the front, but state police are also here guarding the side of the building. Now, earlier today, we checked in with the Springfield Police Department to see how they deal with this type of stress.
Police officers are on the forefront of the community, and right now they're greatly impacted by the coronavirus pandemic, but also public scrutiny.
Being a police officer is one of the most stressful positions or jobs or careers that anyone could have because of what they face each and every day, especially in urban areas like Springfield. So when someone performs a hideous act like we've seen in Minneapolis and it lumps all people in law enforcement together, it just raises that stress level.
Behind the badge, the men and women in blue look for support. Western Mass News spoke with Springfield Police Department's Public Information Officer Ryan Walsh about their employment assistance program.
They can reach out to someone and talk, and there's a lot of those services available.
Walsh says a new program called peer-to-peer counseling is in the works, where officers will be able to turn to each other instead of an outside provider.
Police officers don't want to talk to a civilian who's trying to help them because they think they might not understand what they go through. Police officers want to talk to other police officers or retired police officers.
Walsh says this peer-to-peer service will bring together a group of current police officers with retired officers trained appropriately.
The stresses could lead to anything from mental health issues. There's a high rate of suicide risk with police officers. Eating disorders, alcoholism, drug abuse, whatever it may be. So you try to curb those things before they get out of hand, and hopefully we're going to have those resources in-house.
All right, so you guys were with us when the protesters just broke through one barrier. Now they are very up close. And just moments ago, police did walk out from the police department in riot gear. You can see them very clustered together in the center. Some have their shields up, but there are other officers just simply standing, making sure this crowd is under control. There are protesters to our left that are standing on their knee. There are others saying no justice, no peace. And this is a live scene right now in front of the Springfield Police Department. Back to you guys.